So you see in front of you what I call the study guide for your midterm exam, which you must take 2 weeks from now, probably with a Thursday or Friday deadline. Now, to take this, it's closed book, closed notes. This is an online course, of course, so you must take it using a lockdown browser and monitor software. This is a requirement. The exam will likely consist of mostly short answer questions and perhaps a few multiple choice. For the short answer questions, I'm looking for several sentences to answer each one, not just a single sentence. There may be a longer essay question, but that's iffy. Okay, so you can't have answers with you. You'll be monitored, of course. And also, I should note, there will be likely a practice test next week just to go through the mechanics of taking a test using the lockdown browser and monitor software. The practice test will consist of inconsequential questions just to run you through the mechanics of taking a test. Okay, so you're responsible for material that we've discussed on video and in the book, chapters 1 through 5. And to make your task more focused in preparing, I give you these study questions. I do not anticipate that I will ask any other questions on the exam except for what is in these study questions. Some, depending on how long the question is and what is asked, may count more points than others. Now, this is what I recommend you do. If you want to do well on this exam, and I want you to, I've done this a number of times, and I know what it takes. What you need to do is write down, start preparing in advance right now if you can. Write down each question and then look through the book, look through the videos, and write down your answers on paper. Don't just read the answer and check it off. Okay, write them all down. There are, 23, 45, 65, 72, looks like 106 different questions. Okay, and I'll ask some subset of these, perhaps, 25 or 30, something like that. But if you write down all of the answers now, and then a day or two before the exam, study that sheet that you have prepared. Of course, you can't bring it with you. You'll be monitored, and your eyes need to be on the computer, and it's a lockdown browser, and so forth and so on. Okay, so that's the way to get an A. I guarantee it. People who do that get A's. All right, so if you have any questions, of course, let me know. You'll hear more about this very soon. Thank you so much.